Hi, Kings and Queens. This is Sandra Fenwick with Mortgage Experts, your mortgage consultant. I just wanted to give you a few pointers on refinancing your home. Now, there are many reasons why you may want to refinance. You may want to get some cash out. You may want to do some renovations on your home, or you may want to consolidate some debt, or you may just want to get some cash to have in savings. That's fine. There are also people that want to just change their rate and their term. And you may have come in or bought your home at a higher interest rate, and now the rates are low. So you may say, hey, I want to take this lower rate and lower my payment. So you can do that. You can stretch your term out from maybe 18 to 30 years, or you can make your shorter term. So you may say, I don't want to pay for this home for 30 years. I want to do a 15-year mortgage. We can do that as well. So that's considered a rate and term refinance. There are also some people who may have taken a adjustable rate mortgage. So that means that your mortgage will be or your interest rate will be very low at the beginning, and then after 3 to 5 years, your interest rate adjusts. Could be higher, could be lower, but it's not a stable or a fixed rate. So a lot of people would like to refinance out of adjustable rate mortgage into a fixed rate mortgage. So those are the most common reasons that people refinance. Whatever your reason, you call me and we can talk about it, and I can let you know what's the best procedure or way to move for you. So to get started, you would go to my website and go to approvemesandra.com, and the link will be below. It's Sandra, Saundra. And then you would submit your supporting documentation. That's usually pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, W-2s, photo ID, etc. Now, once we do that and I put everything together and I get you an approval or pre-approval for your refinance, then we would submit your file to underwriting. Once we're in underwriting, we will order an appraisal for your home. The appraisal will be done so we can know how much your house is worth. Sometimes, in rare cases, we can waive your appraisal. There's a thing called appraisal waiver now, where you can get an appraisal waiver. So that will all be on your pre-approval if that's a case. But in 9 times out of 10, we will do an appraisal. The appraiser will come out and let you know how much your home value is now. So that determines how much cash we can take out, how much equity is in your home. If you're 80% or below, you may be able to drop your mortgage insurance if you're on a conventional loan. So that appraisal is very important. Once that appraisal is done, we go into underwriting. The underwriter will give you an approval with a list of conditions. You would submit whatever paperwork they ask you for. Those conditions can be anywhere from updated bank statements to writing a letter to explain something on your credit. It could be Social Security card, just things like that. You can have 1 or 2 conditions, or you may have 15 conditions. It just depends on your situation. So we submit those conditions to underwriting. The underwriter clears them from the list. The appraisal comes in at value. Once all of that is cleared, we become clear to close. Once you are clear to close, you are going to go to the settlement agency. A lot of times we're doing virtual closings right now. You may be able to do it from your home. You will sign your paperwork, and then if you're doing a cash out, you go into your rescission period. After you say, I want to do this refinance, and you sign those papers, the government requires you to take a 3-day cooling off period. This is a period where you say, you know what? They give you a chance to think. Do you really want to take this interest rate? Do you really want to get this cash out and change your payment from this to that, et cetera, et cetera? You get 3 days. You decide that this is something you really want to do. If within that 3 days, you say, you know what? I don't really want to do this. You have every right to call us and let us know, and we will stop the process right there. If you decide after that 3 days, you are refinanced, your term will start. Usually you'll skip a month and start, like let's say you refinanced on April 15th. Your next payment won't be due until June the 1st. So you'll get all of your loan terms, et cetera, and those will come to you. If you get in cash out, at that time, after that 3 days, on that 3rd day, that money will be wired into your account, and then you are all done. If you have any questions about refinancing, please give me a call. My cell phone is 301-326-7555. You can click the link in the description to get started on your application. And do not hesitate to ask questions if you have them. Thank you for the time, and you have a great evening, day, wherever it is where you are. Thank you.